Good morning, students. This video is for class 3 maths, and today we will start with exercise number 10.1. Exercise number 10.1, in which they have given you a few pictures of clock where you have to write the time, once in figure and the other in words. So when you actually read time, suppose if this is the time clock. If this is the clock and the hour hand is facing 4, the hour hand is facing 4 and the minute hand is facing 12, that means the time is 4 o'clock. And when this minute hand keeps on moving, so for every gap is of 5 minutes, so for every gap we keep on adding 5 to the minute hand. So in question number 1 they have given you few pictures, few clock, and then they have given you the time. You have to write the time. So for question number 1b, suppose B, the minute hand as well as the hour hand, both the hand is facing 12. So the time is 12 o'clock, and this is in words, and you have to write this in numbers. When you write 12 semicolon 00, because the first 2 hour is the hour hand, first 2 number, and the next 2 is the minute hand. In question number 2 they have given you the time, and according to the time you have to draw the minute hand as well as the hour hand. In question number 1 you have to draw 8 o'clock. So suppose they have given you 8 o'clock, the time is 8 o'clock, so the hour hand will be facing 8 and the minute hand will be facing 12. And remember, the hour hand is always smaller than the minute hand. Now in question number 3 they have given you few fill in the blanks. So you all will do this fill in the blanks. You will do exercise 10.1 in the book itself. Exercise 10.1 you will do it in the book. Let us come to question number exercise number 10.2. In exercise 10.2, let us start with exercise 10.2 also. Exercise 10.2. In exercise 10.2, they said read the clock. In the introduction class that I have given yesterday, I said quarter means 15 minutes. So whenever you hear this word quarter is equal to 15 minutes. Now if the clock shows 15 minutes, you will not write 15 minutes, but you will write quarter. In place of 30 minutes, you will write half. In place of 15 minutes still left to be, you will write quarter to. So let us see. In question number 1b, they have given you one clock in which they have said, they have given the time. What is the time? The time is, the hour hand is facing 10 and the minute hand is facing 3. That means how many minutes is already over? 1, 2, 3. 3 gaps means 15 minutes. So how will you write here? First you will write what is the time. The time is 10:15. Second you will write how many minutes over? 15 minutes. 15 minutes past, what is the time? 10. 15 minutes past 10. And then again 15 minutes is equal to how much? Quarter. So you can write here quarter past 10. That means 10 minutes is already over after 15 minutes is already over after 10 o'clock. So you will write this. Next, draw. In the next question, question number 2, they have said, they have given you the time, and according to the time you have to draw the minute hand and the hour hand. So let me show you one. In question number 2a, they have given 8, let us do 2b. Question number 2b, they have said 15 minutes past 3. That means after 3 o'clock, 15 minutes is already over. So the minute hand will always be facing 3 because 15 minutes is past, and they have said past 3, so the minute hand will be little, the hour hand will be little side. So it is because the hour hand, as if you see the clock, the minute hand, hour, second hand, they keep on moving. Along with that, hour hand also moves, but with a very little pace, with little speed. Now fill in the blanks. Question number 3. You will do it by yourself. When the hour hand moves from 12 to 2, it covers how many hours? It covers 2 hours. From 12 to 2, 1 and 2. It covers 2 hours. Quarter past the hour means how many minutes has already passed? 15 minutes. 2:15 is also written as 2:15. 2:15 is also written as how? 15 minutes past 2, or you can write quarter past 2. This is how you will complete exercise number 10.2. So your work for today is exercise 10.1 and 10.2 in the book. You will do it in the book. And remember, when you draw the hands of the clock, when you draw the hands, hour and minute hand, you will use scale or ruler to draw it, so that the hour and the minute hand is straight. So children, for today we will keep it till here. In the next class we will do the other exercises. For today up to this much. Thank you, class.